Okay, just wanted to have a quick look at the FMS Sbach 342 transformed into a BTS Autobot Sbach 342. Really the only things I've done with this plane are just cosmetic details. As I said, I turned it into a BTS Autobot Sbach 342. I just added a pilot. This pilot is from Hobby King. He was in my Avios Zazzy, but until I smashed that one. So the Zazzy was actually decorated as a Decepticon. So this pilot decided to jump ship and join the Autobots. Aside from the pilot, the stock pilot, I painted his helmet a different color than that standard white. It's a silver, I believe nickel plate, and the red stripe in the middle. And the wheels. What I did with the wheels, I got Dave Brown wheels. I replaced the stock 2-inch wheels with 2.25 or like 2.25-inch Dave Brown wheels. No modifications needed to the gear dress. And same thing with like my extra 300. I replaced the tail wheel with the tail wheel from the FMS Corsair 1400mm. Fits perfect. Just a little more clearance for the field. And I run this on a 3600 Admiral 3600 pack. This is where it sits, and the CG is right. The CG sits right about here, right behind this dot, pretty much right around here. Oh yeah, well, you can see I painted up the spinner and the prop a little bit, added white. And I think the next clip up will be the maiden flight. So hopefully everything goes well.